Okay. Hi, ma'am. Can you tell me about yourself? Your full name, please.
I am Anne Catherine Ganadores.
Okay. And your age?
I am 40 years old.
Okay. Where do you live, ma'am?
I'm currently living in Caloocan, Metro Manila.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I am single.
Okay. Do you have kids?
Yes, I have three sons.
Okay. Can you indicate their age and their gender?
They're all boys. The elder one is 17. Then
Mm-hmm.
my second child is 16, and my youngest aged 5 years old.
Okay. And how many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I have three siblings.
Okay. And your order in the family?
I'm the middle child.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
Um, I went to college until second year,
Okay.
but did
Please.
not finish my college.
Okay. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Please state the reason why you did not finish college. All right. Now I want to know if you have work experience abroad.
Yes, I have a working experience abroad. I've been in Saudi Arabia.
Okay. Um, did you finish your contract, ma'am?
Yes, I've finished my contract.
Okay. Can you indicate your previous employer? What are how many how many adults, how many children do you serve?
In their home, there are two adults, the couple, and they have four children.
Okay. And indicate your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper.
Generally, I do a nanny job. I took care of the kids. Most of the time, they stay with me. I took them to school, fetch them from school, prepare their breakfast, send them to tutorials and supermarkets, go
Okay.
with them in the park,
Okay, great. Now,
clean the house.
how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I am hardworking. I am trustworthy, and I am honest
Okay.
and easy to go along with, easy to get along with.
Okay. And do you have any tattoo in your body, ma'am?
I don't have any.
Okay. And can you show your hands? Okay, thank you. Now, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Um, I did not.
Okay. Now, why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
Um, this is for my family. Financial stability for my kids, for their school,
Mm-hmm.
for their needs.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not.
Okay. What will you do if your employer's children is naughty or with tantrums?
Um, you just need to talk with them
Okay.
because you have to be patient, talk with them, show them love, show them pamper.
Okay. Now, what is your message, ma'am, to your future employer?
Um, um, I hope you pick me, and I'll do my best to serve your family, and you won't regret for picking me because I am the kind of person who will do my best if I were given a task.
Okay. Can you give us a sample of a nursery song?
Nursery song like
A short nursery song, just what any
I
nursery
have
song
known a
that
lot
you
of
can sing
nursery
for
song, but
us.
I don't know what to pick. I mean, the for my baby, rockabye baby on the treetops
Mm-hmm.
when the wind blows. Because I used to um, um, the kids, I take them to their bedroom and then to fell asleep.
Okay, okay. Thank you. That's all. Thank you so much for your time, ma'am. And I'll just
Thank you
agree.
so much.